Chapter 5, which is Arithmetic Progressions. So the first question in this is, fill in the blanks in the following table given that A is the first term, D is the common difference, and AN the nth term of the AP. So in the first one you're having here A, D, N and AN is given for everything. So in the first bit, for the first one, we are having AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So which implies that you're having here AN is equal to substitute minus 1 into 3. So which is equal to 7 plus 7 into 3, which is equal to 7 plus 21, which is equal to 28. So AN is equal to 28. The second one, what we are finding out, we have to find out what is the common difference. So A is given, you're having AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. What all are given, we'll just substitute. AN is 0 is equal to, the first term is minus 18 plus 10 minus 1 into D we have to find out over here. So which is equal to 0 is equal to minus 18 plus 9D, or 9D is equal to 18, which implies D is equal to 18 by 9, which is equal to 2. So your common difference is nothing but 2. Then the third one, AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Here we have to find out in the third one what is A, the first term. So AN is equal to 0 in this. No, AN is equal to minus 5. It's not 0. Minus 5 is equal, we have to find out A plus 18 minus 1 into minus 3, which is equal to minus 5 is equal to A plus 17 into minus 3, which is equal to A plus minus of 51. So if you take it to the other side, it becomes A is equal to plus 51 minus 5, which is equal to 46. So A is equal to 46 in this case. Then the fourth one, AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Here actually in the textbook it is given fourth and fifth reverse. So I have written here little the last one, the fourth one as the fifth and the fifth one as the fourth. So now for the fourth one we'll take the fifth values. So you're having a AN you have to find out, which is equal to, A is 3.5, N is 105 minus 1, the common difference is 0. So therefore 3.5 plus 0, so AN is equal to 3.5. Next, going into the last one, which is the fourth one in your textbook, AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So AN is the value which we have to, not an, in this we have to find out what is n. So an is 3.6, which is equal to, a is how much, 3.5, I'm sorry, minus 18.9, because this is the minus 18.9 plus n minus 1 into 2.5. So here you will be getting it as 3.6 plus 18.9 is equal to 2.5 n minus 2.5, which is equal to, here you are getting it 22.5 is equal to 2.5 n minus 2.5, or you can write this as 22.5 plus 2.5 is equal to 2.5 n, that is 25. Is equal to 2.5 n, or n is equal to 25 divided by 2.5. So multiply with the 10 in the numerator and denominator, you will be getting it as 250 by 25. 25 tens are, so n is equal to 10. This is the first problem which you're having. Then next problem, second one. Choose the correct choice. Choose the correct choice in the following and justify. First one, 30th term of the AP. 30th term of the AP, 10, 7, 4 and so on. So there are 4 choices given here. A is given as 97, capital A it is. Capital B is equal to 77. Capital C is equal to minus 77. Capital D is equal to minus 87. So we have to find, so solution for this is, given AP is 10, 7 and 4. So here A is equal to 10. The common difference D is equal to 7 minus 10, which is equal to minus 3. We have to find out what is the value of A30. N is equal to 30 for us over here. So therefore An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, which implies that A30 is equal to A plus 30 minus 1 into D. So which is equal to A is 10 plus 29 into minus 3. So 10 minus 87. So A30 is equal to minus 77. The correct choice is C. We're going to the next one, second one here. The given AP is minus 3, 1 by 2, 2 and so on. Here A is equal to minus 3, D is equal to minus 1 by 2, minus of 1 into minus 3. So which is equal to minus 1 by 2 plus 3, which is equal to 5 by 2. and n is equal to 11. So we know that an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So a11 is equal to minus 3 plus of 11 minus 1 into 5 by 2, which implies that a11 is equal to minus 3 plus 25, which implies a11 is equal to 22. Hence here the correct choice is you have A as 28, B as 22, C as minus 38 and D as minus 48 1 by 2. So choice is C is correct here. Correct choice is C. I'm sorry, B, because it's 22. So this is correct choice. Now going into the third question. In the following APs, find the missing terms in boxes. So the first one is 2 and 26. So here we are having that a1 is equal to a is equal to 2 and a3 is equal to a plus 2d. So we can find out from this what is d, and then we can find out what is the second term. So which implies that a3 a2 is equal to, we have to find out here. So it is 26 is equal to 2 plus 2d, which implies 26 minus 2 is equal to 2d, which implies 24 is equal to 2d, which implies d is equal to 24 by 2, which is 12. So second term is a2 is equal to a plus d, which is equal to a plus 12, that is 2 plus 12, which is equal to 14 is the first solution. So the missing term in the box is, the missing term in the box is 14. This is the answer. Okay, going into the next second one, you're having this is, we don't know what is this, the first term, then 13, then a box, then a 3. So a, we don't know how much is it. a2 we know that it is equal to a plus 1d, which is equal to 13. Then we don't know what is a4. Then a3, I'm sorry, a3 we don't know. Then a4 is equal to a plus 3d, which is equal to 3. This is given to us. So we know that a2 solving equation 1 and equation 2, we have a plus d is equal to 13, a plus 3d is equal to 3. So if you subtract these two, you can see here that you are going to get it as d minus 2d is equal to 10, which implies that d is equal to minus 10 by 2, which is equal to minus, that a plus d is equal to 13. So a, we don't know what is it, we have to find out. A plus of minus 5 is equal to 13, which implies that a is equal to 13 plus 5, which is equal to 18. So a as a plus 2d, which is equal to 18 plus 2 into minus 5, so which is equal to 18 minus 10, which is equal to 8. So the answer is a is equal to 18, a3 is equal to 8. a1 or type in the position. The third one, now we're going to let the common difference of the given APBD. So we are given that A is equal to 5, fourth term is equal to 9 1 by 2. So that implies that fourth term means it is A4 is equal to 9 1 by 2 means it becomes 9 2 is 18 plus 1, 19 by 2. So A4 can be written as A plus 4 minus 1 into D is equal to 19 by 2. So now you know what is A. 5 plus 3D is equal to 19 by 2. From this we can find out what is D. So which implies that if you take 3D is equal to 19 by 2 minus 5, which is equal to 19 minus 10 by 2, which is 9 by 2. So therefore D is equal to 9 by 2 into 3, 3 ones are 3 3. So 3 by 2 we are getting D. Therefore second term is equal to 5 plus 3 by 2, which is equal to 13 by 2, which is equal to 6 1 by 2. And third term is equal to 13 by 2 plus 3 by 2, which is equal to 8. Hence the missing terms in the boxes are 6 1 by 2 and 8. These are the missing terms. Okay, going into the fourth one. What is the fourth one? We'll see. In the fourth one, it is given that minus 4, a box is given, again a box is given, again a box is given, 4 boxes, then you're having 6. So here we have to find out the missing terms. So we know only the first term, that is A1 is equal to A is equal to minus 4, and the sixth term is equal to, because this first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth is 6. So therefore A6 is equal to 6. It means that A plus 6 minus 1 into D is equal to 6, which implies that we know what is A. It is nothing but minus 4 plus 5D is equal to 6, which implies that 5D is equal to 10, because you are adding 4 on both sides. So therefore which implies that D is equal to 10 by 5, which is equal to 2. So now here minus 4 is the first term, minus 4 plus 2 is the second, which is equal to minus 2, minus 2 plus 2, which is equal to 0. Then you're having 0 plus 2 is equal to 2. Then 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. So totally this is A1, A2, A3, A4 and A5. So therefore the missing terms in the boxes are minus 4, minus 2 is the one which is missing. Then you're having 0 missing there. Then you're having A4, which is 2. Then you're having what is A5, which is equal to 4. And then this is 6. That's given to us. So these are the answers which are there in the boxes. Then going into the fifth one. What is the fifth one? We'll see. Fifth one is given. The first box is not given to us. The second one is 38, and third term, the 17th term of an AP exceeds the 10th term by 7. Find the common difference. So solution is here. We have what is given here, A17 and A10. So A17 is equal to A plus 16D and A10 can be written as A plus 9D using the formula AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So therefore here, from according to the given question, what do we have? According to the given question, we have A17 exceeds the 10th by 7. So A17 minus A10 is equal to 7. So which implies that A plus 16D minus of A plus 9D is equal to 7, which implies you're going to get this as A plus 16D minus A minus 9D, which is equal to 7. A will get cancelled and 16 minus 9 is nothing but 7. 7D is equal to 7. So which implies that D is equal to 7 by 7, which is equal to 1. So hence the common difference is what? Hence the common difference is common difference is 1. Next, going into the 11th problem, which term of the AP 3, 15, 27, 39 and so on will be 132 more than its 54th term. So this is the question given to us. So how do we find out the solution for this? We'll see. Solution is, given AP is 3, 15, 27, 39 and so on. Here we have A1 is equal to 3, A2 is equal to 15, A3 is equal to 27, A4 is equal to 39. So what is the common difference equal to? A2 minus A1, which is equal to 15 minus 3, which is equal to 12. Now what is A54 equal to? A54 is equal to A plus 54 minus 1 into D. So here you are having here A is nothing but 3 plus 53 into 12, because the common differences we got it as 12. So which is equal to 3 plus 636, which is equal to 639. So now let nth term be 132 more than A54. So we know that AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So A54 plus 132 is equal to, that is AN is nothing but, which we got from here, because the nth term is 132 more than A54. And what is the A54th term? We got A plus n minus 1 into d. So A54 is nothing but 639 plus 132 is equal to 3 plus n minus 1 into 12. So which implies that 771 minus of 3 I brought to this side, so which is equal to 12 into n minus 1, which implies that 12 into n minus 1 is equal to 768, which implies that n minus 1 is equal to 768 by 12, which is equal to 64. So n minus 1 is equal to 64 means n is equal to 64 plus 1, which is equal to 65. Hence, the 65th term is 132 more than 54th term. Now going into the next question, 12th one. Two APs have the same common difference. Two APs have the same common difference. The difference between their 100th terms is 100. The difference between their 100th terms is 100. What is the difference between their difference between their 1000th terms? Let the common difference of both the APs of both the APs be equal to D. First term of first AP is equal to A. First term of second AP is equal to B. Then 100th term of first AP is equal to A plus 99D. That is, you can write this as A100, and the 100th term of the second AP is written as B100. So 100th term of the second AP is equal to B plus 99D. The common difference is same for them, so we have taken it as D. Difference between the 100th terms is difference between their 100th term is equal to 100. So which implies A plus 99D minus of B plus 99D is equal to 100. So which implies that A plus 99D minus B minus 99D, which is equal to 100. So this and this will get cancelled, which implies that A minus B is equal to 100. Take this as the first equation. So now A1000 of the first AP is equal to A plus 999D, and B1000 of the second AP is equal to B plus 999 D. So now the difference of their 100th terms is difference of their 100th term is a minus b is equal to 100 we got. Difference of their 1000th terms is given by a plus 999d minus of b plus 999d, which is equal to a plus 999d minus b minus 999d. So these two will get cancelled, so it is equal to a minus b. So and a minus b is nothing but it is equal to 100 using equation 1 we got this. Okay, so therefore the difference of their 100 terms is 100, the difference of their 1000 term is also 100. So question 13, how many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? How many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? So now here the solution for this problem is, now what is the AP of here? So 3-digit, what is the first 3-digit number which is divisible by 7? We'll see 3-digit numbers divisible by 7. We have to here first check which is the first 3-digit number divisible by 7. So we'll check 101, 102, 103, 104. 105 is divisible. So then 112, then 119, so on 994. These are the 3-digit number. This is the last 3-digit number which is divisible by 4. We can check it out using a 995. After 4 you'll get 1001 only if you add 7. So therefore this will be the last 3-digit number which is divisible by 7. So here A is equal to 105, D is equal to 112 minus 105, which is 7, because 7 is equal to 994. That is the last term is nothing but 994. We know that an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So that is 994 is equal to a is 105 plus we have to find out n. How many terms are there here? Into 7. So this is equal to 994 is equal to minus 105 is equal to n minus 1 into 7. So which is equal to n minus 1 into 7 is equal to 889. So therefore n minus 1 is equal to 889 divided by 7, which is equal to 127. So n is equal to 127 plus 1, which is equal to 128. Hence 128 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7. Next, going into the 14th one, how many multiples of 4 lies between 10 and 250? So what are all the terms which are divisible by 4 which lie between 10 and 250 we have to see. So solution is multiples of 4 lying between 10 and 250 are 12, 16, 20 and so on to 48. So here the first term A is equal to 12, D is equal to 16 minus 12, which is equal to 4, An is equal to 248, and also we know that An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So which implies that 248 is equal to 12 plus n minus 1 into 4. So which implies 248 minus 12 is equal to 4 into n minus 1. That implies 236 is equal to 4 into n minus 1. So therefore here you are getting n minus 1 is equal to 236 by 4, which is equal to 59. So which implies that n is equal to 59 plus 1, which is equal to 60. Hence 60 multiples of 4 lies between 10 and 250. Next problem, the 15th one. For what value of n, the nth term of APs 63, 65, 67 and so on, and 3, 10, 17 and so on are equal. So solution for this is, given APs are 63, 65, 67 and so on, and 3, 10, 17 and so on. So here A1 is equal to 63, A2 is equal to 65, A3 is equal to 67. In the second series we have B1 is equal to 3, B2 is equal to 10, B3 is equal to 17 and so on. Here also so on. So therefore let D1 and D2 be the common differences of the two given APs respectively. Then D1 is equal to 65 minus 63, which is equal to 65 minus 67 minus 65, which is equal to 2. Then next D2 is equal to 10 minus 3, which is equal to 17 minus 10, which is equal to 7. So now nth term of the first AP is equal to A1 plus n minus 1 into D1, and nth term of the second AP is equal to B1 plus n minus 1 into D2. Since nth terms of the given two APs are equal, therefore we have A1 plus n minus 1 into D1 is equal to B1 plus n minus 1 into D2. So here what are all given, we'll just write down. So 63 plus n minus 1 into 2 is equal to 3 plus n minus 1 into 7. So which implies that 63 plus 2n minus 2 is equal to 3 plus 7n minus 7. So which implies that 2n plus 61 is equal to 7n minus 4. So which implies, bring all the n terms together. So 7n minus 2n is equal to 61 plus 4. So which is equal to 5n is equal to 65, which implies n is equal to 65 by 5, which is equal to 13. Hence the required value of n is equal to 13. Now going into the 17th problem, find the 20th term from the last term of the AP. 3, 8, 13, 253. So solution for this is, we have 3, 8, 13, so on up till 253. Here A is equal to 3, D is equal to 8 minus 3, which is equal to 5. The last term is equal to 253. N is equal to 20. So now we have to find out the nth term from the end. So we know that nth term from the end is given by L minus n minus 1 into D, that is 20th term from the end is equal to 253 minus 20 minus 1 into 5, which is equal to 253 minus 19 into 5, 253 minus 95, which is equal to 158 is the answer. Next, going into the 18th one, the sum of the 4th and the 8th terms of an AP is 24, and the sum of the 6th and 10th terms is 44. Find the first 3 terms of AP. Find the first 3 terms of the AP. So here you're having case 1, having 2 cases. Solution. Case 1, T4 plus T8 is equal to 24, which implies that A plus 4 minus 1 into D plus, the 4th term we wrote it as T4. We can write it as A4 also. We just wrote it in that way. A plus 8 minus 1 into D is equal to 24. So which implies that A plus 3D plus A plus 7D is equal to 24, or we can also write this as 2A plus 10D is equal to 24, dividing throughout by 2, A plus 5D is equal to 12. So we'll take this as the first equation. Now next, case 2, you are having T6 plus T10 is equal to 44, that is A plus 6 minus 1 into D plus A plus 10 minus 1 into D is equal to 44, or you're getting A plus 5D plus A plus 9D is equal to 44. So 2A plus 14D is equal to 44, dividing throughout by 2, you get A plus 7D is equal to 22. Take this as equation 2. Now subtracting equation 1 from equation 2, we get A plus 7D minus A plus 5D, which is equal to 22 minus 12. So you're getting here A will get cancelled, or if you open the bracket, minus A minus 5D, which is equal to 10. So A will get cancelled. 2D is equal to 10, or which implies that D is equal to 10 by 2, which is equal to 5. So the common difference is nothing but 5. Next, going into the 19th one, I'm sorry, Subba Rao started work in 1995 at an annual salary of rupees 5,000. and received an increment of rupees 200 each year. In which year did his income reach rupees 7,000? Solution: yearly income of Subbarao is 5,000. Because there's 200 increment, you'll get next 5,200, then 5,400, then 5,600, and so on. So here A is equal to 5,000, D is equal to 200, and here Tn is equal to, that is the last term which you're having, or An. You can take this as An also. So therefore, which implies that sometimes in the exam they can give it as T also, so that's why they have used both. I have used both Tn and An. So now here An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, which implies that 7,000 is equal to 5,000 plus n minus 1 into 200. So which implies that 7,000 minus 5,000 is equal to 200 into n minus 1, or which implies that n minus 1 into 200 is equal to 2000, which implies that n minus 1 is equal to 2000 divided by 200, which is equal to 11. So hence in the 11th year here you are getting this as 10, that is n is equal to 11. In the 11th year his income reached rupees 7,000. So now going into the 20th one, Ramkali saved rupees 5 in the first week of a year, and then increased her weekly savings by rupees 1.75. If in the nth week her weekly savings became rupees 20.75, find n. So now here what is the solution? We'll see solution: weekly savings of Ramkali is 5, then you add 1.75, it becomes 6.75, then 8.50, 10.25, and so on. So here you are having here A is equal to 5, D is equal to 1.75, or Tn or An is equal to 20.75. So we know that An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, that is 20.75 is equal to 5 plus n minus 1 into 1.75. So which implies that 20.75 is equal to 5 plus 1.75 n minus 1.75, so which is equal to, here you are getting it as 20.75 is equal to 3.25 plus 1.75 n, so which implies that you are getting 1.75 n is equal to 20.75 minus 3.25, which is equal to 17.50. 1.75 n is equal to 17.50, which implies that n is equal to 17.5 divided by 1.75, which is equal to 10. So therefore n is equal to 10. So here, if in the nth week our weekly savings become 20.75, we have to find out n. In the 10th week it's going to become 20.75.